Hey guys, so this is my 06 Forester XT, so we'll do a quick walk around of the car. So we'll start off with the mods at the front of the car. So we have got a Cusco front brace with a STI front bar, a Hawkeye lip, refreshed headlight lenses with black inserts on the stock headlights, stock HIDs. We've got a Bug STI scoop. We've got Liberty mirrors, carbon dipped handles. We have some nice Ankai RS05RRs in 18 9.5 ET38 with some Hankook RS4 semi-slick tyres. We've got some cross sport brace at the top. We've got the spats front and rear on the car. We've got genuine STI tail lights, carbon diffuser, rep Sims wing. We've got a little carbon fibre exhaust guard with a HKS silent catback, or high power catback. Genuine Subaru rain guards, pretty hard to find these days. Some Liberty mirrors with some sequentials, JDM mirrors, so they're actually legacy mirrors I should say. In the inside of the car, let's get on. It's pretty messy at the moment, so we've got a gauge pod in the middle. We've got just a Kenwood head unit, an STI shifts around with an STI 6-speed from an STI Forester from an 04. We have a 04 STI cluster, dash cam, pretty common these days. STI seats, pretty hard to come from an STI Forester. They're like the Spec C. Haven't installed the rear ones yet. Coming into the back, we have a pretty rare thing in Australia. Sorry about the mess. A Stewie sub box, which I've put extra bracing on because it used to always come off when I used to go for nice little drives. And yeah, these are pretty hard to come by. But yeah, it's just a walk around of my 06 Forester. We'll go under the bonnet as well. We also have a damned wheel, pretty hard to come by. Well, they're not hard to come by, but they're made in Japan, so not many people have them. So under the bonnet, it's pretty stock, running 200 kilowatts, so almost 300 horsepower. So we've got a Proccess West intake, got a Rex Catchcan, Proccess West top mount, Aftermarket radiator, an APHN radiator shroud, just all the normal little things like an STI oil, STI, oil fill cup, STI, just an extra radiator cap. So yeah, it's pretty stock with a STI VF35 turbo that's been ported by Goodrich. So it's got a few mods and Pro Speed Racing intake, Mishimoto radiator hoses. So it's had a bit done to it. An unknown downpipe, some strut braces. So yeah, it's fairly modified for a Forester, but yeah, this is just a look around of my car. We will do a driving video of it going and stuff, so yeah, just wanted to show you a walk around of my 06 Forester XT that has an STI 6-speed, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Speak soon, bye.